Hello, all my friends. As part of Python fundamentals, today I am going to show you the power of functions. If you understand the fundamentals of functions in Python, you can create many applications just within the function. So as part of that, I am going to create here a list of products that will be distributed. I will show you how to calculate the total quantity as well as total cost of the product that are in the list. And from this point on, you can take it on further with adding more items, with deleting items, updating items, all that things. So this, the beginner friendly lesson displays to you all the power of the function. And within the function, you can use the function for many other functionalities. Okay, for that, once you understand the functions, you can carry out many other things. And here I am using args in the as parameter. So that means if you have star args, you are not limited to the number of arguments, values you can enter in the call. So here I will show you how you can enter more arguments, even though we have only star fruits as an example, the parameter. So let's proceed and see how we go ahead. For that, I have a folder created and I have a file within that. So I am defining a function right away, which is render function, and it has the parameter star fruits. Okay, so first let's do create this my list empty list, and then we need to unpack the data in the product list. Okay, for that, for elements in fruits name dot comma price comma quantity equals fruits. Okay, so once we have that, now we need to create a fruit object. For that, let's do this. Fruit equals here name equals name comma price equals price comma quantity equals quantity. Okay, now let's append that. So fruit dot append, no, my list dot append. We're going to append in my list dot append What we're going to append? The fruit. Okay. So once we have done that, let's return my list. Okay. My list. All right. Let's display here. Let's display in result. Result equals render. Here, this is where I am showing you how many items you can display. Okay. So here, say for example, apple, comma, price $1.59 per pound, quantity 12. That's one. Because of star fruit, you can carry out many. You can call many. Second, banana, 59 cents a pound, say 10. Okay, let's do one more. Cherry. Okay, let's put in a bracket. See, these are all in tuple. Cherry, comma, $1.88, comma, quantity 14. Okay, so this is the calling of the function. Now let's print that. Print. Okay, I'm going to put in the join function so that I can show elements of iterables. Join. So under the f string, f, I will show you how I want to show the index as well. Item of name, comma, it's dollar, item of price, comma, item of quantity. So we need list comprehension for that. Okay, so let's do it. For I, comma, item in enumerate. What we're going to enumerate? Result. And the index will start from 1. That's why I'm specifying 1 here. Okay, print that. So let's run this and see what you get. Okay, so I'm going to run this. I'm going to run this with right clicking. You see here? See the list? 1, 2, 3. Apple, banana, cherry, all this shown as a tuple. Okay, so you want to add more to the list? If you want to add more to the list, you can do it here. Okay, so let's complete this part and then we'll see. Now you want to calculate the total? Total equals sum item of quantity for item in result. See here we are using the result in carrying out other items as well. So let's print it. Print f string. I want to give some distinguish it a little bit. So I'm going to do this 2, 3, 4 total quantity. Total. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will print that. Let's see it. Okay. There is a error. Unsupported operand plus. So where is the plus I did? Line 16, total sum for item in result. Okay. All right. I need to fix this. Okay. Let me fix it and come back. So the error that we saw earlier was due to my error here. 4 elements in fruits, name, comma, price, comma, quantity equals elements. I wrote fruits. That's why it was giving the value in tuples. Once we have unpacked it, this is unpacking, then we get the right rendering. You see, number 1 apple, this price, this 2 banana, this price, this quantity, 3 cherry, this price, this quantity, total quantity 36. See here? So that was the fix up. So let's calculate similarly total cost equals sum. This is just extension with multiplying with price. So it's going to be item quantity times item price. Okay. For item in result. Okay. So similarly, let's print that as well. Print f string. I'm going to do the same spacing. Total cost dollar total cost. Okay, let's make it 2 decimal places to f and give some spacing here just like before. Okay, so this should give us now total cost. Okay, let's run it, and if everything is correct, we should get that. See, now you see we have the items and we have the quantity total as well as cost total. So you see, with this function, if you use arguments, star fruits or star args, you can call it, you are not limited to produce only one item. If you remove the star here, you will be able to include only apple. That's it, only one value. But if you put the star, which is star arguments, args, then you can put multiple tuples. Like, see, this is a tuple 1, this is a tuple 2, this is a tuple 3. And with just under 20 lines of code, we have been able to create a shopping basket showing total quantity as well as total cost. See, this is the power of function and functional programming. Here we did not use anything, no zip method, no map function, nothing. Just within the function, we just carried out element unpacking and using the most of the inbuilt functions like append, we displayed this. So I hope this shows you function is so much useful. Using function, you can create simple apps, you can complicate it, you can extend it. See, if you wanted to add more items, you can use another. In the calling call, you can call it again, or within the function itself, you can use the extend function where you can create multiple item list, and then call that within this same way, called as the same way. All you needed to do is add another, say, new fruits, and then use a dictionary within that and extend that within the my list, and you will get that. So I leave that to you. This to inspire you to dig deeper into the functions so that you can do many items with functional approach. See, you have function with no parameters. You can have functions with multiple parameters. You can have functions with args. You can have functions with k-args. So if you wanted not to be limited with calling items, then args is the best approach. All you needed to do is unpacking. For that, you write this unpacking syntax here, and you can carry out all these functions. So I hope this helps you to move ahead and craft many applications in your desired area. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what area would you like to see more. I am emphasizing more on these little applications with practical use of the fundamentals of Python. There are many ways of doing things. If you wanted to use Flask, you can use Flask, but here, without using anything, I am creating and displaying you the importance of understanding the fundamentals. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please follow, subscribe to my channel, comment below. I'll be preparing more such tutorials in coming days. Thank you for now. Bye-bye.